She may have stopped having sex with you because she... Okay, number 6. She may have stopped having sex with you because she is experiencing relationship depression and anxiety.
Wow.
If you have done things to her to hurt her in the past, and those things have not been worked through and resolved, she may experience relationship depression and anxiety based on it. Okay? And if she is calling you constantly, texting you constantly, popping up wherever you are, nervous every time you walk out the door, she has relationship anxiety based on the hurt and pain that you have caused her in the past. And what she is doing is creating future pain and hurt based on past pain and hurt. That is what anxiety is.
Yes. Yes. So then what's the fix? The fix is stop doing sneakage.
Basically.
All right? Stop doing stuff to hurt her. Stop doing stuff to hurt your partner.
Yes.
All right? Be an open book. All right? Be an open book, because people who have nothing to hide nothing.
Period. Period at the end of the day. Okay, reason number 7. She might not be having sex with you because it hurts. Okay? Women develop things like endometriosis, fibroids, vaginal dryness, PID, okay, etc., etc., etc. And it may hurt her to do it. So she's trying to avoid it. And why doesn't she tell you? It's embarrassing. That's why she don't tell you. If you had erectile dysfunction, it is embarrassing. And sometimes the person that you're with might not understand. So you are afraid to tell them what is going on with your body. Okay? Please hear this. What is the fix? Have her see a great OBGYN.
Yes. That's it. And that's basically the gist of it.
Yep.
And we're going to leave it right there. If it was something you heard, you liked, disliked, whatever it was, if it moved you or not, drop it in the comments box below. We'd love to hear from you.
Yes, indeed.
And don't forget to like.
And share. And whatever you do. Don't forget to subscribe. And hit that notification button. Bing, 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 bing. Till next time, peace.